The three areas I chose to work on in this lifestyle project were water usage, the amount I drove my car, and waste production. To reduce water use, I did many things. I ran the dishwasher only when it was completely full to save the maximum amount of water. I also hand washed other dishes if needed, but I saved water by only using a little in the sink and rinsed them all at once. When I showered, I put a timer on for only 2 minutes max for once a day, instead of unlike other days when I take 2 showers sometimes for usually over 10 minutes to 15 minutes each time. I brushed my teeth with the water off and shaved with only a little water in the sink so it was not running the whole time. Instead of fully shaving sometimes, I used an electric shaver instead because it didn't use any water. I did laundry only once it was needed, and my laundry basket was full. I was also able to share the laundry with the roommates to save more water as well. I did use water each morning to make coffee though, which I was really not able to give up for this project. The next area I worked on was decreasing the amount I drove my car on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I was able to find a way to not drive my car at all on these days. This was because I have the most classes these days and didn't use it at all. I already had food to cook here and didn't need to go to the grocery store either, as I thought about this ahead of time, which helped. The third area I worked on was decreasing my waste production and garbage. For this day, what I did was make extra food on Tuesday when I made dinner for that night. This worked well for me because I put food in Tupperware and had no waste for that day. There was some waste the day before, but it was significantly less. I also did not drink out of milk cartons, energy drinks, so I did not have recycling either. I only drank water and coffee out of reusable bottles and cups, which also decreased waste. After this week, I went on the water footprint calculator and took the test. This calculated how many gallons you use each day. On an average day, my water footprint was 2,149 gallons a day. The US average is 2,220. I took the same test again for how much I used if I worked on saving water each day, and it was about 1,721 gallons. There are many improvements I can make for this week. Ways to improve how much water I use are flushing the toilet less when I don't need to. I can also do all the dishes in the dishwasher and none by hand. Ways to improve how much I drive can be by carpooling with others when I really need to go to the store, as I walk most of the time anyways because I am so close to campus. Some ways to improve trash usage could be using even less prepackaged food and buying more things in bulk. I can also buy more food that comes in plastic containers so I can recycle all of it. Thank you.